All right, folks, we've got a big one for you today. This is a Wirus Wind popper type exhaust for a Suzuki Carry DA63T. And this one was purchased from Black Hawk, Japan. So if you're interested in purchasing this or any other OEM or aftermarket part for your JDM vehicle, please visit blackhawkjapan.com. I'll leave a link to that and this item in my affiliate link in the description below. And as you can see, it's a fairly large unboxing, so I have a slightly different type of setup. And let's get to the unboxing. All right, there it is. So let's see what we've got going on inside. It's like packing hay. Well, can't complain. Got some more Japanese newspaper, but it's a bit shredded this time. And there's the exhaust itself. Looks like it's not wrapped, so what I'm gonna do is grab some gloves. So you may ask, why the gloves? You don't want to get fingerprints and oils on the exhaust because exhausts get hot, and then that's gonna stain the exhaust, and you wouldn't want to stain your lovely brand new stainless steel exhaust now, would you? So yeah, wear some gloves, guys. I don't see any literature at all. Might be down there. Oh, there it is. Reduce, reuse, recycle, guys. That's the name of the game. You don't know how excited I am. All right, should we open the literature first, guys? I think we should. All right, literature, go. You know what? We don't need the knife. We've got some staples. All right, what do we have here? We have the silencer pipe, decent weight, and nice burnt design. Who needs a silencer, guys? Come on, it's an exhaust. And then we've got some literature, and that's sealed. So let's take a look. What kind of literature we have. You know, I feel like I should start doing all my unboxings wearing gloves. Okay, so we have some sort of plate here. That's pretty cool. Wirus Wind since 1997. For special customers, factory made in Japan. It's metal with some 3M tape. I'm not sure what we would stick that to. Definitely can't stick it to the exhaust because that would melt. Yeah, who knows? That's a pretty cool keepsake though. what else do we have? All right. Yeah, that's pretty wicked. So we've got Wirus Win decal or sticker. That's pretty dope. And then we probably have the instructions. Yep. So there's the instructions. If you want or need a translation, let me know. Focus. Come on, guys. Yeah. Anyways. Honestly, I don't even think it's instructions. It's just some sort of warning, but we'll figure it out. Who needs instructions? All right. So there's that one side of the exhaust. See the welds. I have no idea about welding. I don't know if these are TIG welds or MIG welds or what, but hey, and then we've got the flange. And then it's going to use the factory OEM clamp. Then it comes down with the two hangers and then the muffler side. So let's take a look at that. Serious, guys, I'm so excited. As always, if you want to see an install, just let me know. All right, so this is, as a reminder, the popper type. So that just, you know, they all sound the same. It's just the look, guys. There she is. And let's get a load of this tip. Now, ain't that just a beauty? Holy smokes, guys. This is gonna be sick. I'm so excited, guys. All right, well, there you have it. Once again, Wirus Win popper type exhaust. This is for Suzuki Carry DA63T. Built for the early models. If you have a later model, this will not fit. So make sure if you order it, you verify your year. Once again, this is purchased from Black Hawk Japan. If you want this or anything else, JDM aftermarket for your JDM vehicle or OEM, visit Black Hawk Japan, affiliate link in my description below. And yeah, let me know if you want to see an installation video. Shouldn't be too complicated. Oh man, so excited. I know I've said it a million times, but thank you very much.